For decades, the formula for corporate dominance was simple. To compete on a massive scale, you needed a massive budget. Analysts call this the Capital Moat. Giant corporations protected their market share by building enormous in-house IT departments, commissioning custom software, and funding multi-million-dollar research and development wings. The cost of these systems kept challengers out. Main Street entrepreneurs faced a completely different reality. Without deep pockets, they compensated for a lack of capital with endurance, late nights, and physical grit. That dynamic is collapsing. AI has turned massive corporate scale into a heavy anchor, making these organizations struggle to adapt while their smaller competitors accelerate. Financial capital has been overtaken by a new metric for survival: operational velocity. Large corporations operate like cargo ships. Testing a single new software tool requires navigating legacy systems, red tape, and months of stakeholder meetings. Small businesses move like speedboats. This agility is powered by AI as a service. Through cloud APIs, enterprise-level computing power is now accessible to anyone with a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. The adoption rate reflects this shift. A 2025 survey by the U.S. Chamber of Commerce revealed that 58% of small businesses are actively using generative AI, a number that doubled in only 2 years. While giant firms still hold advantages in physical assets, the gap in raw analytical and computing power has virtually closed. AI is a mechanical system designed to absorb a company's cognitive load, the mental heavy lifting required for repetitive tasks. This area chart illustrates a typical small business workload. Roughly 20% of routine administrative tasks can now be successfully automated. As the chart updates, you see those hours translate into revenue. Every dollar spent on AI yields $10 in saved costs. We can see this math working for Lumiwear, an independent online fashion brand. They needed to convert casual visitors into buyers, a task usually reserved for Amazon's highly tuned recommendation algorithms. By plugging in an affordable AI personalization engine, they analyzed customer browsing patterns in real time. Within 6 months, Lumiwear increased their conversion rate by 15% on a startup budget. In healthcare, a 3-person startup named Metascan AI bypassed massive research labs by using lightweight machine learning models to analyze skin condition diagnostics. Their tool achieves 92% diagnostic accuracy, dropping the wait period from several days to under 10 minutes. Meanwhile, local service agencies are using AI to cut support costs by 33% and expand their billable capacity by 20% through automated reporting. A company's operational output is no longer tied to its headcount. Building this output does not require an enterprise software budget. A full AI architecture for a small team costs between $150 and $300 a month. This structural pyramid breaks down the modern small business stack. The base layer uses general LLMs for secure drafting. The second layer uses optimization tools to outrank competitors. The third layer automates call transcriptions. The top layer executes personalized sales outreach at scale. The key is to avoid buying the entire stack at once. Successful businesses locate one specific bottleneck and implement one tool to fix it. Competitive strategy is now a matter of surgical, step-by-step implementation. With automation scaling this quickly, we have to address a common anxiety. Is the purpose of this technology simply to reduce human staff? The data suggests otherwise. 82% of small businesses that integrated AI actually grew their workforce during that same period. AI absorbs repetition and not judgment. By removing administrative drag, employees spend more time on high-value strategy and building client relationships. AI functions as a force multiplier, augmenting human insight by handling the mechanical debris of a workday. The raw analytical capabilities that used to require a Fortune 500 boardroom are now accessible from a single storefront. This creates the microgiant, a small team running with the clinical efficiency of a multinational corporation while retaining a personalized touch that large firms cannot replicate. Small teams now have the tools to match corporate-level operational efficiency from a single laptop. In this new era, a company's survival depends on its ability to move faster than its largest competitors.